Hello, everyone. Well, summer is almost going to be here, and we want to make sure that we don't overburn ourselves, right? Well, what does Ayurveda talk about? Skincare and hair care. I know my hair are going frizzy already. So, anyway, that's why we have Dr. Patil. Dr. Patil is an Ayurveda physician. She is joining me live from India, where she practices Ayurveda beauty regimens and she has her product line as well. Thank you so much, Dr. Patil, for joining me.
My pleasure. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so let's just, yeah, educate us. I mean, we are all trying to understand how natural products or natural, natural beauty care, right, for skin and hair. And what does Ayurveda talk about that?
So, thank you for introducing me on this platform first. And I think so. You have introduced me very well over here. So, basically, I'm practicing in Ayurveda, and I love skin and hair a lot. Matlab, it is a thing what we present everyone, right? And everyone want it in a natural and organic way. So, Ayurveda have all of things in that. Just we have to approach it very correctly. Now talking about what Ayurveda has, so all the problems, if you see that we always know our skin type as oily combination or mix, right? So, but it happens that in Ayurveda we distinguish in a seven patterns of our skin type. So that is very important for us. What is actually our skin and hairs are. That is the thing when we work out in Ayurveda way. And organic things are what we are actually using all the herbal powders, herbal mixture of the decantation of the oil, and and they are transforming in a form of a cream or something like face pack, hair pack, anything. So that what we have for ourselves is totally organic. We work out in that way. So this is what actually what how we treat for Ayurveda.
Okay. So then let's just go a little bit more detail, right? For example, summer, right? And we all understand Ayurveda has different doshas. So I
Hmm.
think on a higher level, we want to understand that do we have to take care of our skin and hair according to our dosha? That's number one. Or can
Yes.
we just all go through whatever according to the season? So is it according to dosha or is it according to season? And then just give us few tips. What is it that we should do, right?
Yes. According to the season, if I'll say, every season has its own peculiarity. In winters, we feel more of our dry skin. In summer, we feel more of it, sweating, oily, or tanning. So basically, there is a change of our body doshas in our body, so skin doshas or hair. So that thing is like what I will say that we have to just balance it according to the season. Now, if I talk about summer season, that how summer can, what especially thing what we have to do for our summers. The summers we are very much exposed to sun, right? The main thing what we are prone to is the sun, and then the main protection what we should give to our sun is that we should use sunscreen. I always tell use your sunscreen every time, whichever you are comfortable with, because that is a natural blockage. Now, most of them don't know in Ayurveda what is the natural thing what we can use as a sunscreen. It is okay. I will tell you about it. But the main thing, the protection what our skin need is our sunscreen and even our hair too. If I talk, as you told, about the season and about the dosha, as you know, there is a thing that if I am exposed to sun, if my scalp exposed to the sun a lot, my temperature of my scalp will increase, which will lead to hair fall. And in Ayurveda, there is a therapy called Shirodhara, or we use hair oiling. For why we are doing all this therapy? Just to level up our scalp temperature, because if you want to have a good hair growth or want to stop our hair fall, we should always keep our scalp temperature less. That's why we always recommend that whenever you are exposed to sun, cover your hair with a scarf or something else, or cap something. It's not only for the ladies, it's for all of them, right from the small children, because that is the thing. Now talking about the dosha, it is called the pitta dosha what get increases of our scalp, which lead to hair fall, thinning. Then we feel our hair color start getting changed, like it start look like graying. So these are the natural things, natural remedies, what I will say, that keep oiling your hair, cover your hair with the scarf or something. If you're traveling like by bike or two wheeler, maintain a hygiene for your helmet and everything, so that there will be no cross infection. And of course, I think so everyone knows that we should not use other combs also, because if you are having some infection and I'm not, that will be cross. So you should always maintain your own hair care things separately. This is also very important. And the same thing goes for the skin also. If you are exposed to most of the UV rays or UVB rays, our skin start getting tan. In India it is very hot, so we always tell keep a protection for sunscreen. Everyone thinks about the sunscreen. I want to say one fact, that whichever SPF you use, it does not matter. The application should be, there should be reapplication of the sunscreen. Then only it works out. It is not like one time you use it only one time in a day. It is like you have to apply it after 3 hourly every time, because the SPF itself it shows that how many hours your protection will be there. And then this is the main thing. And the natural, if I'll talk about Ayurveda, what we can use as a sunscreen. So there are many oils over there, like Kumkumadi oil is there, then pramadi is there, which we can use as a sun protection for ourselves. There are a lot of face pack which we can use in twice to thrice in a week, so that we should not affected by the tanning. Our skin should be very clear. Then there are some home remedies which you can do after coming home. And of course, keep yourself hydrated. When we are not hydrated, when we are dehydrated, our skin feel dry. So there is an increase of vata dosha. Vata dosha increases our skin dryness, increases our aging sign, and it makes our skin tan, very black, like that. So these are the if I talk about the season and the dosha, these are the thing we should always keep in our mind, that it should not be increased. We can keep hydrated ourselves by one. We know we can drink water, fresh fruit juices. Then you can go for electrolyte water also, something, because that will keep your body hydration balance. And when your body is very much hydrated, give you natural glow on your face. So yes, these are the some of the natural things for the summer we can, which you can we can use it. And of course, cover your hair, cover your face with a scarf when you are too much exposed, in the mid of the noon. These are the natural thing. Apply your sunscreen. That's all. That is the most important thing, basic, which does not require any medication. But yes, you have all the things on your plate so that you can make your skin very glow, skin and hair. In a natural way, you can maintain your skin and hair.
Okay, so you mentioned a little bit about some home remedies. Maybe you can share a couple of home remedies with our viewers today.
Yes.
That one could be for the hair, the other could be for the skin.
Yes, sure. Why not? First of all, these are the basic remedies, what I'm saying, which we can try it out. But of course, I always tell that if I get a proper consultation about, if I know the skin, the hair, then it goes in, the result comes very nicely. But one of the natural remedies, what I will say, that I think so everyone has the potatoes in the house, right? Potato and the tomatoes at the house. These are the natural um, thing what we have in our kitchen cupboard. You have to just take it, you have to just scrap it, remove the juice out of it, both of tomato and potato, mix it very nicely. If you have a warm milk, now the summer is there, so I will tell warm milk is there. There is a two-way what you can do. As it is, if you are as we are talking specifically about summer, we like something cooling, right? So what we can do is just remove the juice, put it in an ice tray, put some milk also, keep an ice tray, and start using the cubes. One you can rotate it on your face. You know that both it gives the good effect and the cooling also. Don't keep it for long days. Keep it a set of 3 or 4. Repeat it again. Because at this summer I told in an ice cube pattern. Otherwise, I tell it use it fresh, applied it, and then wash your face. Keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off your face. Because the content what potato and tomato have, that is a natural, anti-tanning what the effect they give. And specifically, if I tell about potato should be used for which skin and other, but now as I'm telling it is basic remedy, you can use it both at a time in a equal quantity. No need to worry about it. So even if you feel my skin is oily, I should use it or not, this is for basic for everyone. And this is the thing what we can, I think so. In India, it is very common to get potato and tomato at house, but I think so at your place also it will be quite easy to get everything. So this is one of the natural things. And for the hair, we always like hair and skin always want vitamin C and vitamin E, which should be in the fruits or in the our vegetables, whatever. So vitamin E is, avocado is one of the good thing what is good internally and for application also on the face, on the hair. So you have to just remove it, grind it, put some coconut milk in that. Coconut milk, either you can take it to fresh, or now packs are also available, or the powder forms is also available. Make it in a paste form like a batter. Applied it on your hair, keep it for 30 to 40 minutes, and wash off with your normal mild shampoo. This also thinks also it give very nice shine to the sorry, give very nice shine to our hair also. So this is the thing what we can use at our home. Oiling is very much important. Mostly everyone thinks that we should not oil our hair. As I told earlier, our scalp temperature should be not high. It should not be hot. That's why we should apply oil. As oil lowers our hair temperature, our scalp temperature. So if you're not comfortable to keep it overnight, at least keep 2 hours before your hair wash, or before you are going for the bathing. And the main application should be for the roots. Mostly we applied on the hairs and we leave it, but we should apply it from the roots. What I always tell to my patient, because that is the main thing. Because as we see, we give water to the roots, not to the leaves. Because we give water to the roots, it eventually goes all to the plant, flowers, and everything. Right? So the same thing is with our hair follicles also. If we are strengthening our hair follicles, our hairs will be grow good. And what I always feel, we always want a long hair or very shiny hair, bulky hair, but I always feel that should be healthy hair. We should have a healthy hair. Its strength should be very nice. So we should always look out for the quality of the hair, not the quantity what we have. Sorry, I have a bad throat little bit, but I can. So this is the thing what I will suggest everyone. Simple remedy for face and hair, which can be done to everyone, and which I think is available at every place.
All right. Well, thank you. You have a really bad throat. So I'm going to wrap up the session. This is anyway a quick 10-minute session that we do on a daily basis, not meant for any medical advice, but we are launching the yes. So thank you so much, Dr. Patil, for being with us, and to everyone. Look at all the little things that she has talked about and try applying it and let us know if it works or not. With that, have a great day, everyone, and namaste. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Yes, thank you.